Hey guys, we're back cooking in the backyard today with our campfire cooking. Man, that skillet looks horrible, doesn't it? Can you get a good picture of that skillet? What do you think? Should we throw that away or not? You know, so let me show you a really easy trick. So the only thing I'm going to use is, ooh, smoky, a little bit of water. Give it 2 seconds to boil. Tiny bit of shake. Watch how easy this comes clean. So the key with cast iron skillet is it's not about the smoke follows beauty again. It's not about how you start, but how you finish. So check out this skillet now. And how long did that take? A little oil. I'm gonna get a paper towel. Need a second to fight the smoke a little. So water is the enemy if you hold it overnight. But look at that, easy with pancakes, really simple stuff. Well, let's go back to the dishes that we made today. So the eggs had smoked ham, green onions, cheddar cheese in them, scalloped potatoes, and we could hold these in this hot water bath for anybody at camp that wants one. The beef bourguignon, look at that. How's that for beautiful? We're gonna have a great lunch today, aren't we? Guys, thank you so much. Have a great day.